Okay, so y'all just watch. They've been going pretty strong. Right over there where the flashing lights are, that's the fireworks stand. And Sienna has incorporated a $1,000 fine for any fireworks. Well, now that definitely looks like it's in South Sienna. Now, how are they going to go over there and charge them? I don't know. But if you don't pay any fines or dues, they can put a hold on your, or a lien on your well, I heard it, saw it, never exploded. Anyway, they can put a fine on, oh, there he goes. Now, so nobody really wants to get a fine, or nobody wants to pay $1,000, I guess. And nobody wants a lien on their house. So this is December the 31st. Today is Friday. And it's 2021. It's also the same day that Betty White died, in case anybody's looking at that. And it's like 75 degrees, maybe 77 in Round Rock, Texas. But it's gonna get about the same tomorrow and then drop down to 27. This is Texas, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy a Happy New Year. Hope you're all safe and happy. Love you all. Somebody in our community in the south side was shot in their yard yesterday. I don't know why. I thought this was a safe neighborhood. And that's sad that everybody can carry a gun and nobody has any. Anyway, Happy New Year. Bye.